In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Ghost Figma plugin to quickly transform your designs into clean, lightweight skeleton layouts. This is especially useful when you're creating loading states, wireframes, placeholder screens, or testing how a layout looks before the final content is added. Instead of manually changing every layer, removing effects, and applying placeholder colors one by one, Ghost can handle the process in just a few steps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Figma tips and plugin tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Figma file where you want to use the Ghost plugin. You can work with almost any type of design selection, including a single shape, a text box, several different elements, or even an entire screen frame. The selection you choose will determine what Ghost transforms into a skeleton layout. To begin, select the layers you want to convert. For example, you could select a card, a group of text and images, a complete section of a page, or the full frame of a mobile or web screen. If you want to convert the entire design, click the frame in the Layers panel or directly on the canvas. If you only want to test a specific component, select just that component instead. Once your layers are selected, open Figma's Quick Actions menu. On a Mac, press Command and the / key. On Windows, press Ctrl and the / key. This opens the Quick Action search box, which lets you find commands and plugins without navigating through multiple menus. In the search field, type Ghost. Look for the Ghost plugin in the results, then launch it. If this is your first time using the plugin, Figma may ask you to approve or open it. Continue through the prompt, and the Ghost plugin panel should appear while your selected layers remain active on the canvas. Now, you can choose the appearance settings for your skeleton layout. Depending on the look you want, select a solid color or a linear gradient. A solid color is a simple option for clean wireframes and basic loading placeholders. A linear gradient can create a slightly more polished or modern skeleton effect, especially when you're presenting a loading state or preparing a prototype. Next, choose a placeholder color. Gray is usually the most common choice because it clearly communicates that the content is temporary. You can use a light gray for a subtle interface, a darker gray for stronger contrast, or another neutral color that matches your design system. The goal is to make the placeholder visible without distracting from the structure of the layout. After choosing the style and placeholder color, review your selection one more time. Make sure the correct layers are selected and that you're happy with the chosen appearance. When everything is ready, run the plugin by clicking its Apply or Generate option. Ghost will instantly transform the selected layers into a lightweight skeleton layout. The plugin is designed to simplify the selected design by stripping out auto layout, strokes, and effects. This helps prevent visual bugs and keeps the result clean and easy to work with. Instead of carrying over complex styling that may not be useful in a placeholder state, Ghost creates a simplified version that focuses on the overall structure and visual hierarchy. This is particularly helpful when your original design includes shadows, borders, gradients, or complicated auto layout settings. Those properties can sometimes create unwanted results when you're building a loading screen. By removing them automatically, Ghost gives you a more reliable starting point for skeleton screens and placeholder components. Once the transformation is complete, inspect the result on your canvas. Check that the main blocks, text areas, cards, and sections are represented correctly. If you converted an entire frame, review the full screen from top to bottom. If you converted only a smaller selection, compare it with the original version to make sure the skeleton has the level of detail you need. You can now use the result as a loading state, a presentation mockup, a wireframe, or a temporary content layout. You can also adjust the generated layers manually in Figma if you want to change the color, resize a placeholder, or refine the spacing. Since Ghost removes unnecessary styling, the output is lightweight and easier to edit than a manually duplicated version of the original design. If the result is not exactly what you expected, simply undo the change, adjust your selection or settings, and run the plugin again. For example, you could select fewer layers, choose a different color, or switch between a solid fill and a linear gradient. This makes it easy to experiment without rebuilding the skeleton layout from scratch. So, to quickly recap, select a shape, text box, group of elements, or full screen frame. Open Figma Quick Actions with Command and / on Mac or Control and / on Windows. Search for Ghost and launch the plugin. Choose a solid color or linear gradient, select a placeholder color such as gray, and apply the plugin. Ghost will then create a lightweight skeleton layout while removing auto layout, strokes, and effects to help avoid visual issues. And that's how to use the Ghost Figma plugin to create skeleton layouts in just a few moments. If this video saved you time, Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tutorials, design workflow tips, and useful plugin guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.